In this video, I am about to show you how to do correctly generative AI with Vertex AI Prompt Design Lab. Start by learning prompt engineering with the Vertex AI SDK. Familiarize yourself with the best practices 0, minus, 1, minus, and few shot prompting techniques to optimize results. The SDK allows you to explore use cases like ideation, Q&A, text classification, text extraction, and text summarization. This hands-on lab provides practical experience in a real cloud environment. Note that labs are timed, and once started, they cannot be paused. Ensure you have access to a standard internet browser, preferably Chrome, and use an incognito or private window to avoid conflicts with your personal account. To begin, click the Start Lab button. If prompted, choose your payment method. The Lab Details panel will show the Open Google Cloud Console button, time remaining, and temporary credentials. Click Open Google Cloud Console. If the Choose an Account dialog appears, select Use Another Account. Copy the username from the Lab Details panel, paste it into the Sign In dialog, and click Next. Then copy the password and paste it before clicking Next. Always use the provided lab credentials to avoid additional charges. After accepting the terms and conditions, proceed to the Google Cloud Console. Then click the navigation menu at the top left to view products and services. In the search bar, enter Vertex AI Workbench, navigate to User Managed Notebooks, and click Open Jupyter Lab. Once in Jupyter Lab, go to the Generative AI folder, then to the /language/prompts folder, and open the intro_prompt_design.ipynb file. Follow the steps in the notebook, running each cell at one time. Finally, click Check My Progress to verify your objectives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.